Hey everyone, and welcome to World Heritage Journey. Today we're at the Srebana Nature Reserve in northeastern Bulgaria. So this is a large lake home to many different species of birds, and it's a really interesting protected habitat. It's also home to migrating birds on their way between the Arctic and the equator. I'm really interested to see this one. Let's have a look around. Well, unfortunately we haven't been able to see much of the bird life here today. You can't actually get very close to the water because there's a lot of reeds in the way, and we're actually up on a ridgeline as well. But it is a protected biosphere, which means that only scientists and conservationists are allowed in, so amateur enthusiasts like us are kept out, and that's probably not such a bad thing. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Hit subscribe if you'd like to see more from the World Heritage Journey. I'll see you next time.